hang up and try again.
Welcome everyone with Nizar Kiwan at Math Everywhere YouTube channels. This is the series of the derivatives. Now let's go ahead to do the logarithmic functions derivative, and this is the last thing. So rule number 30. What if I have len x? What is the derivative of that? Always with logarithms, and especially len, you will do the derivative of the what's inside over what's inside the len. So len will be eliminated and the answer will be a fraction. So always logarithmic functions, the derivative will be fraction. This is not minus, this is fraction, rational function. So the derivative of what's inside is 1 over what's inside is x. So logarithmic functions will not be logarithmic functions anymore after you take the derivative. Rule number 31. What if you have len ax plus b, linear function? Again, take the derivative of it as a. So f prime x will be, we delete logarithm, so a over a x plus b. Example, fx equals logarithm 2x minus 1. So the derivative would be, the derivative of what's inside is 2 over what's inside 2x minus 1, and logarithm will be eliminated. Be careful, you cannot eliminate 2 with 2 here because there's minus 1. Rule number 32. What if you have logarithm but cocktail like jx? The derivative would be, the derivative of what's inside the logarithm is j prime x over what's inside the logarithm itself. So len will be eliminated. Example, what is the derivative of len 5x squared minus cosine x plus 3 sec x? Logarithm, all of this. This is a logarithmic function, but there are many functions inside this logarithmic function, such as trigonometric and quadratic. What is the derivative? The rule says the derivative of len will be fraction, and len will be deleted. So now here, j prime over j. So let me write the function as it is down before I forget. And the derivative of what's inside is 10x minus, what is the derivative of cosine? Negative sign, and there is minus, so plus sine x. Now sec x, the derivative is sec tan, and leave number 3 as it is, so 3 sec x tan x. That's all. Another example. Another example, fx is logarithm square root cosine 3x minus 1. Actually, inside this logarithm, there are two functions. One is radical, and inside the radical, there is trigonometric. Do it slowly, don't panic, it's easy. Just do it step by step. Logarithm, when I do derivative, it's gonna be fraction. So delete the logarithm and put fraction. Now, this is jx. So the derivative of it, I put it up. Over itself, I will put it down. So cosine 3x minus 1. Now, what is the derivative of the square root? Again, a fraction. The derivative of what's inside over 2 times the square root. Now, what is the derivative of inside? Cosine, the derivative is negative. Sine, the angle stays the same. But don't forget to multiply by 3 because ax plus b. So we multiply by the derivative of the angle is a 3. Always in math, if you see something, drop this one down. So it will be negative 3 sine 3x minus 1 over 2 root cosine 3x minus 1 times square root cosine 3x minus 1. In this question, since these are the same, root something times root the same thing, root times root is going to be root but squared, so square will be deleted with the root, so you can delete the root here. So it will be negative 3 sine 3x minus 1 over 2 times the root will be deleted because root times root is root squared, will be deleted, cosine 3x minus 1. So you can extend it by saying negative 3 over 2 sine angle divided by cosine the same angle is tan 3x minus 1. So this question can come in the IB as proof. So prove that the derivative can be written like that.